Hey guys, I'm making this video to show you what's gonna happen if you try to edit an AMP template in an HTML editor, in an online HTML editor. So I'm gonna download the template here, put it in my downloads folder there, and then we're gonna upload this in MPC, grab new from my local computer, put it in a project folder, and I'm going to call the folder HTML. And there's my template. I'm going to grab it and I'm good. So now I'm going to quickly add it to my project. Add the entry, done. Now I'm going to browse to this template first before doing anything. So I'm going to take it here, HTML, and here's my template. It looks good and everything, so I'm going to take it to an AMP validator. AMP validator, and there's the validator.ampproject.org. I'm going to throw it in here, and when you validate, it'll pass. It'll be okay for AMP, for being an AMP page. And the reason is because, well, it's AMP. But what happens when you try to validate it as an HTML page? So let's go to HTML validator, and you take it here and you paste it in W3C, markup validation service, and these guys, they're the official they set the official standards for HTML. So I'm going to group error message by type here, and I'm going to do a check. And you're going to see it's going to have errors all over the place because, AMP attribute is not allowed. There's a whole bunch of stuff here, AMP form and custom element. It's not, none of this stuff is valid HTML. So just be aware of that if you try to edit your template, your AMP template with an online editor. Now, MPC has a workaround, of course. So this is what's going to happen. Let me show you that first. So if you open it in an online editor, what's going to happen? Well, you'll end up with a blank screen. And the reason is online editors will try to fix the HTML. And then it ends up being broken. If you want to edit an AMP template in MPC, let's close this. The way you want to do that is by double-clicking and go to Code File Edit. And then MPC will ignore all the errors on the page and just give you the raw code. And you can edit your file here and then run your project. So just be aware of that. If you want to edit an AMP template, which is not valid HTML, in an online editor, well, especially like MPC, you want to go to Code File Edit to do that. Otherwise, the editor will, try to fix your page and you'll end up with a blank page, right? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.